Hello guys, me and my friend B Hammy are gonna be playing some Animal Company. Yeah, we're gonna be going to Haunted Mansion. So, get ready for me to go
Stop
prepare.
lights.
Let's prepare lights.
I got the 3 flashlights, so I got a mega flashlight. I'm actually gonna add more flashlights.
Grappler definitely. Flashlight mobile? Sounds a bit diabolical.
Flashmobile.
Oh, there's my backpack, bro. No, this could be carrying my weapons. By the way,
This is so.
By the way, guys, sorry I haven't been posting. I've been sick lately, so I'm back. Yeah. And I'm big.
Then we're gonna make a different game. Then we're gonna make a video on a different. Wait, can you buy me a grappler, please?
Yeah.
Thanks.
By the way, guys, if you guys don't know what this game is, which you probably will, because, I mean, why would you be watching me if I'm playing around a game that you don't know? It's called Animal Company. It's really fun, and you should definitely go check it out.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I've played it since 2023. Every single update in Animal Company, they're gonna add more of the OG map.
Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, it's like back here. That's right.
Over here.
There's...
Careful, because
And good you can grapple.
Crap.
Oh, frick.
Turn your light off.
I know.
I cannot see it. Turn it off.
I did. It's actually really smart. Yo, can I have a goop? I want to put my flashlight on mine.
Yeah.
Yo, wait for me, bro. Where'd you go? Oh, watch out for landmines.
Just check it out. Come on, Lisa. Oh, be careful.
I know, she looks going right there. Oh,
if it's not in this one, then it's gonna be. Nope. Oh.
Oh! Shattered the life out of me.
Nope. It has to be this one, or we don't know what the key is.
It's a block of gold.
Yeah, that is useless. It's in this one.
Nope.
Huh?
One here.
Watch out, watch out! I got you.
Bro. That's literally not cool.
You can't touch the tentacle.
Bro,
Kill it.
There you go. Watch out.
I'm gonna take one. Oh my. Anyway, let's see if we missed the door.
Oh, that's a... Yeah.
Oh, yep, we missed the door.
Is it in there?
If it's not, then we missed the door.
Yeah. Yo, sorry for accidentally keep hitting you. Oh, I like that.
Wait. Where is it,
Oh,
bro?
that was close. That was...
Get up. Hang. I know where another key is, but we're gonna have to leave the forest.
Alright, let's go.
Follow me. Up the street. So this is actually in Lake Mountain. But you might need to hold it because I don't have a hip slot. I don't know why there's a key.
Yeah, that's just random.
Yeah, but it's here. Just swim is faster.
Why you swim like that?
Well, it's because that's what the fastest. Well, it might be.
When it turns you into a bee. Ooh, I'm back behind you. I'm waiting for you.
There we go. Let's go. Get the blue one.
Alright. I'm gonna have to improvise here.
Here, let's go to like a little place. Let's go on. I'm careful.
Oh, wow, there's one over there. Yes! No! Wait. Ooh. Got it. Oh, I'm coming. You get that one on the tree. Frick. Can I ask you?
If you don't want to drop this pickaxe, put your blue pickaxe on your back, and then it will have your backpack.
Dang, bro. Yo, we should be good.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Let's go.
I also have some on my pickaxe in the backpack. Alright. Dude, I'm so heavy. So wait, just grapple up the wall. The tree.
I know. Easy.
I am 7.
You know, we'll get absolutely nothing out.
Did we just sell our grapplers with it too?
Yeah. Goodbye.
Crap, I forgot. Oh.
Yo, you forgot. Ah! Ah!
Oh yeah, drop it.
Yo, Shao, why am I upside down?
So actually just drop the opposite hand.
Alright.
I'm gonna do it now.
I got this one.
Do I look ridiculous?
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Alright, let's do
Let's
this.
sell it.
Oh, terrible at this.
There we go. How much coins my cat? That sucks.
Not bad. Not bad.
Puggy machine.
Whew.
Hey, it's pretty good for that amount.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Hey, bro, you're not the narrator.
Like, please, please.
Ah! Ah! I got so. Alright. So what I'm gonna want you to do, I'm gonna want you to subscribe, okay? Subscribe, please. Please. Our goal is 100. Please.
Hey, wait, bro. Wait, don't end it yet. I'm gonna fall, okay? I'm gonna fall off the building. I'm jumping off so you guys will like and subscribe.
Yeah, obviously we gotta make our epilogue. So guys, I'm making my epilogue. Alright. Wait, let me grab my camera.
Alright, I'm gonna call my
Guys! Make sure you like and subscribe!
Yeah!
Like and subscribe! Ah!